Hi everyone. Say it's such a beautiful day here in Oregon. I decided to do a little burning out of the fire pit. I'm trying to clean up the property a little bit before fire season starts. So I'm sitting here having a nice cold beer doing it. And I'm thinking something good to munch on would be nice. So I'm going to make some popcorn with my Esbit alcohol stove. Okay, I've already put the fuel in the stove. I'm just using heat, so I'll get it lit. Just like that. So I'll let that get going real quick. Now I'm just going to put a little corn oil in there. I'm just going to cover the bottom with it a little bit. Probably about that much. And I think I'll let that warm up just a little bit. Okay, I think the oil's pretty warmed up. So I'm going to go ahead and put some popcorn in there. I'm not really sure how much I'm going to put in there, but probably about that much. We'll give that a try. All right, she's starting to pop pretty good now. Oh yeah, we got popcorn. Obviously, I probably put a little too much in there, but that's okay. Between me and the dogs, we'll eat it. Well, there you have it, guys. Popcorn on an alcohol stove. Popcorn, beer, and a fire. Thanks for watching.